all scenario processing, infinite expansion, the ultimate king, exceeding imagination. L-series sheet metal laser cutting machine, capable of cutting, replaceable of wearable parts, and upgradable, can meet the demand of 99% processing scenarios. The segmented bed frame design allows for large format operations, with a max length of up to 60 meters. Different processing areas can carry out different procedures simultaneously, realizing cutting, loading, and unloading at the same time. Cyclical processing saves time and improves efficiency. Different specifications of the work table for each partition can also be configured. During processing, each modular work table can cut various thicknesses of material respectively. Integrated processing all done with one machine. The extreme flexibility of the L-series goes far beyond this. Depending on the thickness of the material, work tables of different heights can be configured. Without replacing the bed frame, higher power cutting of thicker materials can be achieved. With easy operation, profile cutting can also be easily finished. L-series sheet metal laser cutting machine, with its infinitely expandable potential, brings unlimited possibilities to your production. The L-series, suitable for all scenario processing, also boasts multiple intelligent cutting-edge technologies. 1 second edge finding for precise cutting. The operation screen displays the edge finding conditions in real time, eliminating the need for on-site inspection. Safe and worry-free. Any workpiece can be precisely identified for secondary processing. Cutting parameter auto match. With just a few clicks and comparison, even beginners can easily cut perfect workpieces. The operation screen displays real-time status of the cutting area, requires no on-site tracking. The cutting situation is fully visible. Intelligent remnant identification, one-click layout, even waste can create new value. You can also choose auxiliary devices, 5-axis bevel cutting, modular work table, and follow-up ventilation dedusting system, enhancing production capabilities significantly. Versatile for countless applications. Endless possibilities. Limitless future. The top choice for all scenario metal processing.
Bodor, Dare to Dream.